Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your notifications that are not showing on your Redmi 13. If your notification center is not showing on your lock screen, unlock your phone. Now you can see it works, but we want to use it on the lock screen maybe. Then go to settings, go to notifications and status bar, and go all the way down to items shown on the lock screen after swiping down. Now enable notification shade and enable use device controls. Now, when I slide down, you can see it works. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.